Imagine a world where operating complex machinery is as intuitive as using your smartphone. Meet the CNC Controller F86 from Q's Technology. With its sleek 8-inch display and 800 by 600 resolution, the F86 makes monitoring machine information a breeze. The modern interface design is not just eye-catching but also user-friendly, making it a favorite at first glance. Control up to 6 axes simultaneously and return them to the home position with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to the Encoder phase-ahead feedback function. Powered by a high-performance processor, the F86 integrates a PLC processing module for extended machine functionalities. Visualize your machining program profiles in stunning detail with 2D and 3D simulation modes. The F86's ability to program macros adds a layer of customization and efficiency to your operations. Its robust hardware includes 24 standard I/O ports and an optional expansion up to 256, ensuring you have all the connectivity you need. From backlash compensation to G-code support, the F86 is packed with features that enhance precision and performance. Revolutionize your machining experience with the F86 controller, where innovation meets simplicity.